learn how to capture attention. My job is to wake people up.
Business manager is a mothership, all right? Inside the business manager, you have ads managers, all right? What you do is that you create your business manager, and then you create your ad accounts inside of it. Every ad account has its own ads manager. If you have 2 brands, you need to have 1 business manager. If you have 10 brands, you need to have 1 business manager, all right? Inside that business manager, you can have 10 pages that are being brought in, 10 ad accounts, 50 people, 5 payment methods, and whatever you want. Your pixels, your audiences, your data is one central place where you guys can get all your information into it. And that is the key of the Facebook Business Manager. Business Manager is a solution by Facebook that came out 5 years ago, just 5 years ago, because people were using their personal accounts to do business on Facebook. And they didn't want that. They created this Business Manager, which is a tool that allows you to manage your Facebook advertising as a business. And also on the Business Manager, you go one step further because you connect all the family of apps inside that Business Manager. For example, Instagram accounts, brought in. WhatsApp accounts, brought in. That's happening right now. WhatsApp is being slowly rolled out as a marketing platform. Slowly. I manage over 60 accounts right now, and I have only on 5 of them WhatsApp integrated into them or allowed to be brought in. So it's being rolled out right now. You're going to have the ability very soon to create WhatsApp for business inside the Business Manager and do strategies to bring people from social media into your WhatsApp business account. What's the power of that? Well, just think about it like we talked about messenger marketing, right? You guys hear my passion on Messenger. Same thing, but bigger. Why? Because in the European world, WhatsApp is bigger than Messenger. In India, WhatsApp is bigger than Messenger. In many countries like Mexico, WhatsApp is bigger than Messenger. Not in the US though, in the US it's Messenger. The reason that Messenger is Messenger, by the way, is because WhatsApp was bought by Facebook for $18 billion years ago. So they stole all the technology. And that's what made Messenger what Messenger is today. They were the original Messenger platform overall. But you're gonna have the ability to generate Messenger subscribers. And just so you guys know, here's a little, not warning, that's not the word, but just so you guys can get ready for it. I'm already in talks with the ManyChat owners, the ones that are creating the whole integrations and all of it. Next on their list is to create ManyChat WhatsApp integrations, all right? Meaning that you're gonna be able to build conversations with ManyChat once you bring people from WhatsApp. That's coming. Early 2020 was the last thing I heard, all right? At first I was actually thinking that it's gonna happen in 2019. It looks like it's going to be early 2020. And shortly after that, listen to this, Instagram DM integration. That's right. Instagram is also going to become a platform for you to be able to engage and build audiences. You guys see how right now the new world of building audiences has changed? It's not about generating leads on email anymore. You're going to be able to have leads on Instagram and send out broadcasts to them. Leads on WhatsApp, leads on Messenger. You want to do a broadcast? Oh, select, imagine it for a second. You're doing a broadcast on ManyChat. Who has done a broadcast on ManyChat before? Raise your hand. Okay, some of you guys, right? It's like email marketing platform. It's like any email that you've used before. You select what conversation, if you want to do an image, a banner, a video, whatever it is, and boom, you send it to your subscribers. Imagine that in ManyChat, in about a year or less, you guys gotta be ready for it, right? What did I say yesterday on my presentation? Seneca, when preparation meets opportunity. If you're prepared for it, when it launches, guess who's the one that's gonna benefit from it the most? You are. Because at first, the cost of advertising is cheap. Why do you think I got 2 million Messenger subscribers? Because I took advantage of that from the beginning. And I was able to flood my Messenger channels for pennies. Incredible.